What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see, we got my Road Glide over here and we got Chris's Road Glide over here. Check this out, guys. This is the one you've seen on the channel before. This is the one we installed the Cyclorama CR480MT cam in, and we took it down to All American Cycle to get tuned on E85, and he's done a few modifications since then. And as you can see, he put it on dirty air for one, he put a new bigger air cleaner on it for two, and he also powder coated his stock Prodigy wheels to match the flow boards in bronze. So this bike turned out killer. It looks killer. He also added the ODI lock-on grips, and he also had his stock ST seat reupholstered and went with bronze diamond stitch on that. And yeah, this bike turned out killer, guys. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna hop on the Road Glides and we're gonna head over to Hooters, get some lunch, and then we're gonna go across the street to the Speedway, and I think he's gonna get a sound system installed in this bike. Not a full system, just upgraded front speakers. I think we're gonna go with Cicadas in the front, just so that it's louder when you're going down the road. He can't really hear the music with the stock stereo. So come along with us as we ride over to get some lunch, and then we're gonna head over to the Speedway and check it out. Alright guys, so we are here at the Speedway, as you guys can see here in the background, and we've been here for a few hours, and Chris decided that he wants to go with Cicada speakers in his Road Glide ST, and we're just doing the front two speakers, no rear speakers. He just wants an upgraded speaker that's louder, so that when he's riding on the highway he can hear it better with his full face helmet on and with the wind noise coming through. After walking through all the different booths for audio, we realized that the Cicada speakers sounded the best. I'm not an audio guy, so I don't really know what I'm looking at, but after going through all the different booths, we definitely like the way the Cicadas sounded the best out of Rockford and a couple other name brands that they had here at the Speedway. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they're working on in here. All right, guys, so here are the speakers we went with. I'm gonna have Larry explain to you guys what speakers Chris went with and what amp he went with. All right, Larry.
Okay, these are the new Cicada CXX6.5s. They're carbon fiber cone.
Okay.
They have a 1-inch tweeter in the middle with a 360 surround out. And these are actually 4-ohm speakers. We're doing them bridged on a 600.4 DSP amp.
Okay.
And that's going to give these speakers 300 watts a piece.
Okay.
So you're going to get 300 watts to each one of these carbons. They're rated at 2, but they will take 3 with a good tune.
Okay.
And the Cicada CXX6.5s, any of the Cicada product, the amps, the speakers, the DSPs, everything has a factory 2-year warranty on it. And the labor from Ultimate LED and Audio is lifetime.
Nice. So the amp is how big?
It's a 600.4.
Okay.
So
nice.
if you bridge this amp, you're going to get 300 watts per channel.
Okay.
And we're going to
it's going to tuck. It's going to tuck in nice
it's
under
gonna
here.
Sit right here.
It's going to look factory, right?
It's going to look factory, yes,
nice.
sir.
All right,
and
cool.
I'll actually have it in the bike here in just a couple of minutes, and
nice.
check it out.
And you're gonna tune it for us too, right?
I'm gonna tune it and put a tune in your DSP, yes, sir.
Nice. And that amp comes with a built-in DSP.
It comes with the built-in DSP,
Sweet.
yes, sir.
All right, guys, stay tuned. This thing's gonna be fired up here shortly. All right, so what are you doing now?
So right here's your data port. What we're gonna do is hook our Techno research tool up to this.
Okay.
On your stock factory head unit.
Now that won't mess with the tune in the bike, right?
No, it won't. So this is just for the audio. I'm not going to mess with any tuning components or anything for the engine wise. I'm just going to go in the audio compartment on the Techno Research, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to flash the head unit. On the stock head unit, they put a tune in there for the little speakers that Harley sells to make them sound good. What we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to flash it where we get a flat signal source out of the head unit. So when we tune our DSP, we're not building on top of a dirty signal. So that's what we're doing here. We're going to flash the ECM here for the head unit, and then we'll be able to go in our DSP and put a tune in. That's what we're doing right now.
Cool. What are you doing now?
I'm flashing the head unit. We're going to kill the stock signal in the head unit so we can have a flat signal for our DSP to start off of and build off of that. Okay. Now that flashed the head unit. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to unlock the Apple CarPlay. I'm going to go to your WIM unit. And I'm going to enable it. Click OK. And what that does is that unlocks your Apple Android CarPlay on the 19 and up GTS head unit.
Sweet, so we don't need the Apple CarPlay jumper anymore. So you won't
need the jumper anymore.
Just got it all installed and buttoning everything up right now. Before I put the outer fairing on, I just want to show you guys how clean and factory looking this system is. The amp fits real nice in here above the headlight, underneath the radio, all tucked in nicely. You can't even tell. He even loomed the wires so that it looks like it's a factory wiring harness under here. So once again, thank you so much for all your work.
No problem.
And huge shout out to Ultimate Audio and LED. I'll put a link in the description below with all their information. They're the #1 Cicada audio dealer and installer here in the US. So we definitely are in good hands. What's up, man?
You like it? How much was it? Like yeah, you could. I'm into this thing for like 15 grand now because I've done so much to it.
All right, guys. So as you can see, they hooked it up, installing the Cicada audio, 2 front speakers in Chris's Road Glide ST. Real clean install. It even came with Cicada speaker grills. These are carbon fiber speakers. Nice grills. Very clean install. This bike turned out killer, guys. But it's late, the rain's rolling in. We got about an hour left here, and we are getting ready to head down to Main Street for a little bit before the rain comes. So that's going to complete today's video, guys. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.